In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Glassdoor from zero. If you're new to Glassdoor or you've only used it casually, this walkthrough will help you set it up properly, find the information you need, and use it to make smarter career moves. First, create your account. Head to glassdoor.com and sign up with your email or a connected account. Once you're in, complete your profile with your current job, key skills, and industry. Keep it accurate and concise. This helps Glassdoor tailor what you see and makes your job search and research more relevant. Next, set your goals. Decide exactly why you're on Glassdoor today. Are you researching companies, checking salaries, preparing for interviews, or leaving reviews? Knowing your purpose will keep you focused and save time. Now start researching companies. Use the search bar to find employers by name or browse by industry. Open a company page and review the overall rating. Read through employee reviews, check CEO approval, and scan benefits. Pay attention to patterns and the recency of reviews. Recent, consistent feedback is more reliable. Take notes on companies that stand out so you can compare them later. Quick note before we continue. I've placed the link to glassdoor.com plus download links for the official app right at the top of the description for easy access. Check salaries next. Search for your role or a similar title. Then compare pay across multiple companies. Use filters for location, experience level, and job title to get the most relevant data. Look at the ranges and the number of reports so you understand both the average and how strong the dataset is for your situation. Read interview reviews for each company you're considering. On the Interview tab, you'll find common questions, the interview format, and insights into the hiring process. Use these to prepare answers and practice, focusing on themes that come up repeatedly. If you're comfortable, leave reviews about your own experience. Be honest and professional, and avoid sharing confidential details. Contributing helps others and builds your credibility on the platform. Use the job search to find open roles. Filter by salary, company rating, or size to refine your results. And set up email alerts so new listings come to you automatically. Follow companies you like. You'll get updates on new jobs, company news, and fresh employee reviews, which keeps your research current. Analyze and compare your shortlist. Review ratings, salary ranges, benefits, and culture to decide where to apply. Finally, keep improving your profile. Update your skills, experience, and reviews regularly so Glassdoor can personalize your experience. Thanks for watching.